Check the lighting. That's fucking sick.
I love.
Right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Little window in the back.
Very nice.
Very nice. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bryce. 510 Visualz. We back, baby. Cleaning up that sauce. We got Sylina back in the studio. Graham is hiding over there, but Graham crushed it on this look. Sylina brought us the concept. Graham brought it to life. So today's a fairly complex lighting setup. You guys haven't seen me do this in a while. So we're doing a 3-light setup. One is a projector with a gobo on it. We've got an 8600 with the 60-inch umbrella, another 8600 with the projector, and then we have an 8200 over here with the strip light. That's gonna be giving some edge lighting there. Built us a little set. We've got an ironing board going for like the pinup housewife, say 60s, like 60s housewife pinup style look. Red backdrop. We've got a makeshift clothesline with some unmentionables on there. Delicates. And we're just having fun. So we're gonna knock out some shots, let you guys see what this lighting looks like. And we're gonna get to it. That's it. Let's get shooting. Check the lighting. That's fucking sick.
I love.
Right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Little window in the back.
Very nice.
Very nice. Think showgirl. Think showgirl with the knee. So it's an arch in the back and a knee, kind of try to bring your knee straight up. Yes. We'll do some close-up stuff so we can get hair and looks. I'm gonna go very tight. So these will be like beauty shots. We'll do some square and then we'll do some just a little 3/4 so we can get all of it. I want more of your background. Take a step this way. Let's see how I like that. Yeah, there we go. Good. Good. And if you want to use hands, you can go to like collarbone. Yeah. Good. Good. Pearls. Yes. Ready for ironing board stuff?
Yes.
Okay. What are you thinking?
Just stuff to like the inspo shot.
Okay.
But I can't be on the ironing board for too long because I'm only holding myself up.
Okay.
Like.
Chin up. Good. Good. Yes. Love it. Cute. Stay there. Cute. Yeah.
Yeah, those. I love my head like kind of angle and those. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What you were doing on that clothesline was fantastic. I love it. Fantastic. Give me 14 of them. I want you to, instead of being your body squared up to me, start rotating this way a little bit more. Feet too. Yep, very good.
Yeah, I think there's a lot.
I do too. When you did that, I was like, hell yeah, I can't forget that.
Yeah. Okay.
Chair, feet up, phone. Let me take one more shot. I'm gonna go higher, from a little bit of a higher angle.
Okay, I'm just gonna have one.
Okay, yeah, it works.
I think I like the higher up angle.
Versus
Like
that.
Yeah.
I do because you can see what's on the table
Yep.
versus looking at the table.
I agree.
Um,
Do you want a full shot or do I need
I'm actually gonna slide you this way a little bit more, like stool and everything. Just you and the stool. Yeah, these are like, don't worry about feet up right now. I wanna do some tight shots of you and the wine. Bring this like super close. That will make sense in a second. Grab the bottle with your free hand. Yeah. Hell yeah. Do that same expression, but like punch the bottle towards me. Hell yeah. Very good. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you guys stayed through the whole thing, enjoyed this setup, enjoyed this look, enjoyed this concept. It was very cool. I appreciate Sylina and Graham coming through, making me look good, making my job easy. Hope you guys appreciated this 3-light setup. We haven't done this in a long time, so it's very cool to get back to a more complex lighting setup. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop a comment down below. Remember, it's all gas, no brakes. Whatever you do it moving. Yay! We out of here, baby. Peace.